Well, it's been over 2 weeks that Sasikala has been in Bengaluru prison, and more details now coming out from the RTI application that was filed. Chinnamma being given a television set in the prison as well. This is RTI activist from Chennai, Raja Velutham, who has revealed also that for now, no application has been filed from AIADMK side as well, where there is a plea to seek her transfer to Tamil Nadu. The RTI query also got an answer from the jail authorities that there has been no VVIP treatment that's been meted out to Sasikala. There is no separate washroom, water heater, air conditioner or mattress that have been provided to her. Now also, it's significant to know at this point of time that there have been attempts by various group of ministers as EPS has taken charge to shift Sasikala out of Bengaluru prison to Chennai. But the RTI query has revealed that so for now there hasn't been any formal proposal that's been given out from AIADMK for the same. But interestingly, revealing details of how Sasikala is spending her days in prison at the moment while serving the rest of her sentence when she was convicted in the DA case by the Honorable Court, where the RTI query does reveal that Chinnamma has been given a television, in fact, but no special facilities being given to Sasikala. Also, as you can see from the details that have been given out, that there has been a restricted access to Sasikala at this point of time in Bengaluru prison. And we're also given to understand in this RTI query that not everyone is allowed to meet her. TTV Dinakar, a nephew of Sasikala, and AIADMK General Secretary, met with her on February 20th, but they have given very, very restricted access to others in the parties. My colleague Rohini joining us on this story as well. So Rohini, interestingly, Chinnamma given access to television. That's one luxury that she can have as she spends rest of her term in the prison.
Well, that's as of now, that is what has been given to her, and she's been told that she can monitor the developments in Tamil Nadu, because the request she put was, as the General Secretary of the party, she would like to know exactly what the developments in the state are, especially when her party is the ruling party in the state. But apart from that, the RTI request that has been made and the details that have been given by the DIG Central Prison or Parpa Anna Agrahara clearly says that she has not been given any other facility that could include hot water or a cot or a mattress. But at the same time, what is interesting to know is that the question about whether she'll be shifted to Pural jail, as of now, those speculations come to rest for the simple reason that the Central Prison DIG Central Prison has said that it is up to the court to decide, and no application has come to them till now. So clearly, she will be spending more time in jail in Bangalore.
Thanks for joining us with more details on that story.